Gujarat, a state on the western coast of India, is renowned for its vibrant culture, rich history and natural beauty. From the bustling streets of Ahmedabad to the serene beaches of Diu, Gujarat offers a diverse array of experiences for every traveller. Yet, beyond these well-known destinations, there are lesser-known places that hold their own unique charm and stories. Amidst the bustling cities and well-trodden tourist paths lies the town of Mahemdabad, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. This quaint town, often overlooked by mainstream tourism, offers a glimpse into a different side of Gujarat, one that is steeped in history and brimming with local culture. Tucked away in the Kheda district, Mahemdabad offers a unique blend of history, nature and rural charm. The town is home to several historical ruins that whisper tales of a bygone era, while its lush landscapes provide a serene backdrop for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. This essay delves into the heart of Mahemdabad, exploring its captivating facets and unraveling the stories it holds. From its ancient architecture to its vibrant local traditions, Mahemdabad is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be uncovered. Mahemdabad's allure lies in its ability to transport visitors to a simpler time, where the pace of life is unhurried and the connection to nature remains strong. The town's serene countryside and friendly locales make it an ideal destination for those seeking a peaceful retreat. Whether one seeks to delve into the annals of history, witness the bounty of the land, or simply soak in the tranquility of rural life, Mahemdabad offers a unique and enriching experience. The town's historical landmarks, such as the ancient stepwells and temples, provide a fascinating glimpse into its rich past. Join us as we embark on a journey to uncover the treasures of this hidden gem. From its historical sites to its natural beauty, Mahemdabad promises an adventure that is both enlightening and rejuvenating. So pack your bags and get ready to explore the lesser-known wonders of Gujarat. Mahemdabad's history is deeply intertwined with the Gujarat Sultanate, a powerful kingdom that ruled over the region for centuries. This ancient town, and with its rich cultural heritage, offers a glimpse into the past, where every stone and structure tells a story of its own. Founded in the 15th century, Mahemdabad derives its name from Sultan Mahmedabad, a prominent ruler of the Sultanate. His reign marked a period of prosperity and growth for the town. The town flourished as a center of trade and commerce, attracting merchants and artisans from far and wide. The bustling marketplaces were filled with the sounds of haggling traders and the vibrant colors of exotic goods. Sultan Mahmedabad's vision transformed Mahemdabad into a thriving hub of economic activity. His legacy is still visible in the town's architecture and layout. The town's historical significance is evident in its architecture, with remnants of forts, mosques, and stepwells dotting the landscape. These structures stand as silent witnesses to a bygone era, whispering tales of the town's glorious past. The old fort, though partially in ruins, still commands attention with its imposing structure, a reminder of the town's strategic importance. The fortifications and defensive walls speak of a time when Mahemdabad was a key player in regional politics and warfare. Mahemdabad's history is not merely confined to textbooks. It is etched into the very fabric of the town, waiting to be discovered. The streets, the buildings, and even the air seem to carry the essence of its storied past. Walking through Mahemdabad is like stepping back in time. The ancient mosques and stepwells, with their intricate designs and craftsmanship, offer a window into the architectural brilliance of the era. These historical landmarks are not just relics of the past, they are a testament to the town's enduring legacy. Each monument, each ruin has a story to tell, a piece of history to share. As you explore these sites, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, the whispers of a time when Mahemdabad was a bustling center of activity and culture. The town's historical significance is not just in its grand structures, but also in the small details. The old inscriptions, the worn-out steps, and the ancient pathways all contribute to the rich tapestry of Mahemdabad's history. Mahemdabad is a living museum where the past and present coexist, offering a unique experience for those who seek to understand the history and heritage of this remarkable town. The town's history is a treasure trove of stories, waiting to be uncovered by curious minds. From the grand tales of sultans and traders to the everyday lives of its inhabitants, Mahemdabad's past is a rich and varied tapestry. So as you walk through the streets of Mahemdabad, take a moment to pause and reflect on the history that surrounds you. Each step you take is a journey through time, a connection to the town's glorious past. Mahemdabad is blessed with fertile land, a gift from the life-giving Narmada River that flows through the region. The town lies within the Narmada River basin, known for its rich alluvial soil and abundant water resources. Agriculture has always been the backbone of Mahemdabad's economy, with farmers cultivating a variety of crops, including cotton, wheat and tobacco. The sight of farmers tending to their fields, their faces etched with the wisdom of generations, is a testament to the town's deep-rooted connection to the land. The aroma of freshly harvested crops fills the air, a reminder of the bounty that nature provides. Mahemdabad's agricultural prosperity is not just a source of livelihood, it is a way of life deeply ingrained in the town's identity. Mahemdabad's diverse landscape supports a rich variety of flora and fauna. The town's outskirts are dotted with mango orchards and neem trees, providing shade and sustenance. The Narmada River attracts a plethora of birdlife, making it a haven for birdwatchers. Kingfishers, herons and egrets can be spotted along the riverbanks, their vibrant plumage adding splashes of color to the serene surroundings. The surrounding countryside is home to a variety of animals, including jackals, foxes and wild boars. During the monsoon season, the landscape transforms into a lush, green paradise, teeming with life. The air is filled with the chirping of crickets and the croaking of frogs, creating a symphony of nature's orchestra. Mahemdabad's natural beauty is a reminder of the delicate balance that exists between humanity and the environment. Section 5. The rhythm of the seasons, climate and its impact. Mahemdabad experiences a hot semi-arid climate, characterized by scorching summers and mild winters. The summer months from March to June are particularly harsh, with temperatures soaring above 40 degrees Celsius. The arrival of the monsoon in June brings much-needed relief, transforming the parched landscape into a verdant paradise. The monsoon season is a time of celebration in Mahemdabad as farmers rejoice at the prospect of a bountiful harvest. The town comes alive with festivals and fairs, showcasing the vibrant culture of the region. The climate of Mahemdabad, with its distinct seasons, plays a crucial role in shaping the rhythm of life in the town. Section 6. A town on the rise, infrastructure and economic growth. While Mahemdabad retains its rural charm, it is also witnessing gradual urban development. The town boasts a decent infrastructure with well-maintained roads, schools and healthcare facilities. Its strategic location, close to major cities like Ahmedabad and Vadodara, has made it an attractive destination for small-scale industries. The town's economy is no longer solely dependent on agriculture. Small-scale industries such as textiles and food processing are providing employment opportunities to the local population. The presence of educational institutions ensures that the younger generation has access to quality education, paving the way for a brighter future. Mahemdabad is an example of how rural communities can embrace progress without losing their unique identity. Section 7. Beyond the horizon, exploring nearby attractions. While Mahemdabad itself is a treasure trove of history and culture, its location also provides easy access to other notable attractions in Gujarat. The bustling metropolis of Ahmedabad, with its historical monuments and vibrant markets, is just a short drive away. History enthusiasts can visit the Sabarmati Ashram, the former residence of Mahatma Gandhi, and immerse themselves in the legacy of the father of the nation. For those seeking respite from the city's hustle and bustle, a visit to Kankaria Lake, with its serene surroundings and amusement park, offers a perfect getaway. Mahemdabad's proximity to these attractions makes it an ideal base for exploring the wider region. Section 8. The allure of tradition, culture and festivals in Mahemdabad. Mahemdabad's cultural tapestry is as rich and diverse as the land itself. The town is home to a mix of communities, each contributing to its unique cultural fabric. Traditional Gujarati folk dances, such as Garba and Dandiya Ras, are an integral part of the town's cultural heritage, performed with great enthusiasm during festivals like Navratri. The festivals of Holi, Diwali and Eid are celebrated with equal fervor, showcasing the spirit of unity and harmony that defines Mahemdabad. The town's cultural events provide a glimpse into the rich traditions and customs that have been passed down through generations. Section 9. Conclusion. Mahemdabad. A blend of heritage and progress. Mahemdabad stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of rural India, where age-old traditions coexist harmoniously with the winds of change. This town, with its rich cultural tapestry, offers a unique glimpse into the past while embracing the future. The farmers toiling in the lush green fields are the backbone of this community, preserving agricultural practices passed down through generations. The old temples, standing tall amidst modern buildings, are silent witnesses to the passage of time, narrating stories of a bygone era. Its historical significance, agricultural prowess, and natural beauty make it a destination worth exploring. The scenic landscapes, dotted with historical monuments, offer a panoramic view that is both breathtaking and humbling. The agricultural fields, stretching as far as the eye can see, are a testament to the town's farming heritage. The blooming flowers in their natural setting add a touch of color and vibrancy, making Mahemdabad a visual delight. As the town gradually embraces progress, it does so without compromising its unique identity, striking a delicate balance between heritage and development. The blend of old and new architecture is a sight to behold, with modern infrastructure seamlessly integrating with historical landmarks. The bustling streets, where traditional and contemporary elements coexist, reflect the town's dynamic spirit and its ability to adapt to changing times. Mahemdabad invites you to step off the beaten path and experience the true essence of Gujarat, where time seems to slow down and the simple joys of life take center stage. The serene countryside paths, the peaceful moments by the riverside, and the vibrant local markets all contribute to the town's charm. Here you can immerse yourself in the local culture, savoring the flavors and traditions that make Mahemdabad unique. It is a place where one can reconnect with nature, delve into the annals of history, and witness the warmth of rural hospitality. The interactions with locals, the exploration of ancient ruins, and the engagement in traditional activities offer a rich and fulfilling experience. Mahemdabad is not just a destination, it is a journey into the heart of rural India, where every moment is a story waiting to be told. So come, discover the hidden gem of Mahemdabad and create memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you are capturing the beauty of the landscapes, enjoying a family picnic in a scenic spot, or immersing yourself in the local culture and festivities, Mahemdabad promises an experience that is both enriching and unforgettable. Let the charm of this town captivate you and take home stories that you will cherish forever.